So normally when the client comes in, they have a plan of what they're looking to do and they have a project in mind. That project could be anything from knocking a wall down to building an extension, building a house. They come to us primarily because of our experience in the field. Where our experience mostly lies in is creating a space, not just the kitchen. We're looking at the kitchen space, so the kitchen, living room, dining room, we're looking at the whole space that they're looking to create. The reason why we look at the whole space is to get an understanding of where the windows are, where the doors are, so we can really create the best area for the kitchen to go, along with the seating or along with the dining space that they're using. It's very difficult when you're inside a project, once you've imagined the kitchen to go in a certain place, to see it going anywhere else in that space, or to even imagine the rest of the units going together. And normally people are just building either like an extension that might be 3-4 meters long at the back of the house, and then they don't know what they want to do with it apart from the fact that they want a really nice kitchen. They want to live in that back area, they want the nice bifolds leaning onto the garden, but they don't know exactly how it's going to look or how it's going to turn out. We have a 4-stage design process. The first of those processes is a questionnaire. It's a design questionnaire that you can fill out either online via our website, or you can fill it out with us in the showroom, or we can email it to you. This questionnaire will give us all the information that we need for your kitchen. It'll tell us what style you're looking for, what your budget is, and what kind of space you're working with. So the second stage of the process is for us to get accurate drawings of the space we're going to use. That's either going to be a home visit where we come to survey the property and measure it up, or you will send us some architectural plans. At this stage, we invite you back to the showroom, and now it's our turn to impress you with the designs that we've created to make the best use of your space. Our customers love this part because they really get to see their kitchen in real life CGIs. We can do animated walkthroughs, we can do full renders, pictures of what your kitchen will look like when it's finished. And that's all the way down to what tiles you might use, the actual kitchens, your appliances. So it'll be a real life-like walkthroughs when you're going through your designs. Once costings are agreed upon and a commitment is made, we will then release all your CGI renders and your first fixed drawings for your build. We make ourselves available all through the installation process just to make sure that everything runs as smooth as possible. Our goal is for you to become a satisfied House of Design customer and that you enjoy the space we have created together.